Differentiation Part 7.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few 7 marks problems. So, see the first problem. If y is equals to tan inverse of root 1 plus x square plus root 1 minus x square by root 1 plus x square minus root 1 minus x square for 0 less than mod x less than 1, then find the derivative of y. See here, we have to use here substitution method. Okay. See here, for example, if you substitute x is equal to sin theta, but there is no formula for square root of 1 plus sin square theta. So clearly sin theta is not possible. For example, if you substitute x is equal to cos theta, again there is no formula for square root of 1 plus cos square theta. Similarly, substitute for x is equal to tan theta. So there is no formula for square root of 1 minus tan square theta. See here, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Similarly, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta also not possible. Now see here, if you substitute x square is equals to cos 2 theta. So clearly there is a formula for square root of 1 plus cos 2 theta and square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. So that's why I am substituting x square is equals to cos 2 theta. So from this, cos inverse x square is equals to what? 2 theta. So theta is equals to 1 by 2 cos inverse of x square. So this is the value of theta. Now given value of y is equals to tan inverse square root of 1 plus x square value cos 2 theta plus square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. So divide by again square root of 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta minus square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now this is equals to tan inverse of square root of 1 plus cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta plus square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta formula. So what is 1 minus cos 2 theta formula? 2 sin square theta. So similarly for denominator also. So divide by square root of 2 cos square theta minus square root of 2 sin square theta. So clearly square root get cancelled. So in both numerator and denominator, root 2 is common. So this is tan inverse of root is common, you will get cos theta plus sin theta. So divide by again root is common in the denominator, you will get cos theta minus sin theta. So clearly root 2 get cancelled. Okay. Now this is equals to tan inverse of, see here, cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. So divide for both numerator and denominator with cos theta. See here, this is cos theta by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. So again divide by cos theta by cos theta, next minus sin theta by cos theta. So cos theta get cancelled. Now this is equals to tan inverse of 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Okay. So you know that 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta formula is tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Okay. So see here, 1 can be written as tan 45 plus tan theta by 1 minus. So 1 into tan theta, write as tan 45 into 10. So tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A 10. This is tan of 45 plus theta. Okay. Therefore 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, write as tan of 45 plus theta. Okay. So this is equals to tan inverse of tan of 45 plus theta. So tan inverse tan get cancelled. Therefore y is equals to 45 plus, what is theta value? 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. Now you need to find dy by dx. So for that we have to differentiate with respect to x and y. So here differentiate with respect to x on both sides. This is dy by dx, derivative of constant 0 plus 1 by 2 into d by dx of cos inverse x square. So this is 1 by 2 into derivative of cos inverse x form, that is minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square whole square into internal derivative of x square, that is what, 2x, okay. Or simply write into internal derivative of x square. Okay. Now see here, this is minus 1 by 2 into square root of 1 minus x power 4 into derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1, that is 2 into x power 2 minus 1. 2 get cancelled. So this is minus x by square root of 1 minus x power 4. This is what, dy by dx. So this is the derivative of the given function. So see the second solution, square root of 1 minus x square plus square root of 1 minus y square equal to a into x minus y. Then find derivative of the y. Okay. See here, solution, given square root of 1 minus x square plus square root of 1 minus y square equal to a into x minus y. So here also we have to use the substitution method. So clearly substitute x is equal to sin a. So because of square root of 1 minus sin square a is cos a. So that's why I am substituting x is equal to sin a. So not only sin a, you can substitute either cos a also or sin a. Now y is equal to what? Sin b. So clearly a is equal to sin inverse x and b is equal to sin inverse y. So substituting equation 1. Square root of 1 minus x square, square root of 1 minus sin square a plus square root of 1 minus sin square b is equal to a into x minus y, that is sin a minus sin b. Square root of 1 minus sin square a is cos a plus cos b is equal to a into sin a minus sin b. So this is cos a plus cos b divided by sin a minus sin b is equal to small a. So clear it in the form of cos c plus cos d. We have to apply cos c plus cos d form, that is 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Again denominator in the form of sin c minus sin d. See a sin c minus sin d formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2, that is a plus b by 2. Sin c minus d by 2, that is a minus b by 2 is equals to. So 2 get cancelled. Cos a plus b by 2, cos a plus b by 2 get cancelled. Cos by sin, cot. cot of a minus b by 2 is equals to what? Small u. Okay. Now send cot right side, then becomes a minus b by 2 is equals to what? Cot inverse u. Again, what is a minus b value? 2 cot inverse u. So what is a value? Sin inverse x. So right here, sin inverse x minus sin inverse y is equals to 2 cot inverse u. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that is d by dx of sin inverse x minus d by dx of sin inverse y is equals to d by dx of 2 cot inverse u. So derivative of sin inverse x is what? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square minus derivative of sin inverse y 1 by square root of 1 minus y square. But in place of x, y is there. So internal derivative of y, that is dy by dx. So cot inverse a, here a is constant. So cot inverse a also constant. So derivative of constant is 0. Now this is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square is equals to 1 by square root of 1 minus y square dy by dx. Therefore, what is dy by dx? This is equal to square root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. So this is the derivative of a given function. See the question number 3. Y is equal to x power tan x plus sin x power cos x. Find dy by dx. So see here, solution given y is equal to what? X power tan x plus sin x power cos x. Okay. So this is equation 1. So let us consider u is equal to x power tan x. Okay. And v is equal to sin x power cos x. So substitute in equation 1. Y is equal to what? U plus v. Now differentiate with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to what? Du by dx plus dv by dx. This is equation 2. Now we have u and v values. Now find derivative of u and derivative of v. So clearly first consider u is equal to x power tan x. So clearly it in the form of f of x whole power g of x. Okay. So clearly what is f of x? Base is always f of x, that is x, and power is what? Tan x. So it in the form of f of x whole power g of x. F of x is x, g of x is tan x. Okay. F of x whole power g of x. Now find derivative of this. What is f dash of x? Derivative of x 1. What is derivative of g of x? Derivative of tan x 6 square x. Therefore you know that d by dx of f of x whole power g of x form, this is equal to f of x whole power g of x into f dash x by f of x, okay, into g of x plus g dash of x into log f of x. So this is the formula of d by dx of f of x whole power g of x. See here f of x is x, g of x is tan x. Therefore d by dx of f of x whole power g of x, that is what? X power tan x is equals to what? This is also equals to du by dx is equals to f of x whole power j of x that is x power tan x into f dash x by f of x, that is 1 by x into g of x tan x plus g dash of x sec square x into log f of x log x. So this is equation 3. Okay. This is the value of du by dx. So similarly consider v. So consider v is equals to what? Sin x power cos x. Here what is f of x? F of x is equals to sin x and g of x is cos x. Find derivative of f of x and g of x. F dash of x, derivative of sin x is cos x. G dash of x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now you know the derivative of f of x whole power g of x form. So here that is d by dx of v is equals to what? F of x whole power g of x, that is sin x power cos x into f dash x by f of x. So what is that? Cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x into what? G of x, that is cos x, plus g dash of x into log f of x. So what is that? Minus sin x. Simply write minus sin x into log of f of x, that is log sin x. So this is equation 4. Okay. Now you know the value of du by dx and dv by dx. Substitute these two in equation 2. We will get dy by dx. Therefore, substitute 3 and 4 in equation 2. See here what you get? Dy by dx. So what is du by dx? This one. X power tan x into tan x by x plus sec square x log x. Sec square x log x plus dv by dx. This one. Sin x power cos x into cos x into cos x. Cos square x by sin x minus sin x into log sin x. Sin x into log sin x. So this is the derivative of a given function. Okay. So next question number 4. If y is given, then find dy by dx. See our solution. Given y is equal to sin x power log x plus x power sin x. So let us consider u is equal to sin x power log x and v is equal to x power sin x. Now this is what? Equation 3. So substitute u and v values in equation 1. See here that is y is equal to u plus v. Now differentiate with respect to x. That is dy by dx is equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is equation 2. So clearly you know the u and v values. Now find derivative of u and derivative of v. See here first one. Consider u is equal to sin x power log x. It is in the form of f of x whole power g of x. So f of x is equal to what? Sin x. And what is g of x? Log x. Now find the derivative of f of x into derivative of g of x. So derivative of f of x is cos x and derivative of g of x is 1 by x. Okay. Derivative of sin x cos x, derivative of log x 1 by x. Therefore d by dx of f of x whole power g of x 1 This is f of x whole power g of x into f dash x by f of x into g of x plus g dash of x into log f of x. So this is the derivative of f of x whole power g of x formula. Now therefore du by dx is f of x whole power g of x, that is sin x power log x into f dash x by f of x cos x by sin x into g of x, that is log x, plus g dash of x 1 by x log f of x log sin x. So this is equation 3. Okay. Now consider v. V is equal to what? X power sin x. It is also in the form of f of x whole power g of x. So f of x is equal to what? X, and g of x is equal to what? Sin x. Find derivatives. F dash of x. Derivative of x 1. G dash of x. Derivative of sin x cos x. Therefore dv by dx. So using this formula, f of x whole power g of x power sin x into f dash x by f of x. So what is that? 1 by x into g of x, that is sin x, plus g dash of x cos x plus log f of x, that is log x. This is what equation 4. Now substitute equation 3 and 4 in equation 2. See here, substitute 3 and 4 in 2. That is dy by dx is equals to what? Du by dx, this one. So write this thing. Sin x power log x into cos x by sin x, that is cot x into log x plus log of sin x by x plus dv by dx. So this one, that is x power sin x by x plus cos x log x. So this is the derivative of the given function. So try to solve these two questions. For next session we will discuss more problems.